Hello and welcome. In today's video I want to show you all the tools and pencils that I use to create my pet portraits. So we'll start with the pencils. So this is where I store all my pastel pencils. These are my pretty much entire collection. However, these are the ones I probably don't use quite as frequently. The brands I have my favourites, which are the Pit Pastel Pencils by Faber-Castell, and the other ones are the Stabilo Carbothellos. So they're the main two pencil brands that I tend to use, and I like both of them equally. But my most used colours are ones that I keep close to my easel, and these are on my trolley here. So the ones in the jars are organised by colour, and these ones, which are in a brush holder, these are the ones I use quite a lot. So it's a brush holder, but in the bottom I've just cut up some kitchen sponge to fit, because I like the pencils with the colours at the tops, because that makes it easier to find them. So to protect the points on them, I just have the sponge underneath. The next thing I will need, of course, is the paper. So I like to use the Colour Fix Smooth, which has some texture but not too much, and the other option is the Clairefontaine Pastel Matte. So I have this in quite a selection of colours to suit most pets colourings, so I keep that in these drawers. Oh, and by the way, if you want to see more behind the scenes content like this, I am launching a Patreon membership soon, and that's going to have a lot more behind the scenes content as well. So if you're interested in that, we'd love for you to sign up, says Miss Sage. And in the corner here of my drawing table, this is where I keep my pan pastels. So I have these organised by colours. So these are the browns, these ones are all the grey tones, and down the bottom are all my other various colours that I probably don't use quite as much. These are perfect for laying down the first layers of a portrait. So actually we'll be making a mini tutorial on those for my Patreon members, so don't forget to sign up below to get on the wait list, so that you'll know when I'm ready to launch them. So back to the pan pastels. So they are applied with soft tools, and they have a variety of different applicators depending on the area you need to cover and the shapes. And essentially the pan pastels they look almost like a blush, and the consistency is very similar, so it's just very fine pastel, and it gets applied with those tools, and makes an amazing first layer for the pet portraits. So, and don't forget to sign up for more in my upcoming Patreon membership.